Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tumulak. Natatandaan mo pa ba sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita, sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon?
Just coming on the end of August, another summer's promise almost gone. And though I heard some wise men say that every dog will have his day. He never mentioned that these dog days get so long. I don't know when I realized the dream was over. Well, there was no particular hour, no given day. You know it didn't go down in plain. There was no final scene, no frozen flame. I just watched it slowly fade away. And I've been waiting in the weeds, waiting for my time to come around again. And hope is floating on the breeze, carrying my soul high up above the ground. And I've been keeping to myself, knowing that the seasons are slowly changing. Even though you're with somebody else, he'll never love you like I do. I've been biding time with the crows and sparrows, while peacocks prance and strut upon the stage. If finding love is just a dance, proximity and chance, you will excuse me if I skip the masquerade. And I've been waiting in the weeds, waiting for the dust to settle down along the back roads, running through the fields, lying on the outskirts of this lonesome town. And I imagine sunlight in your hair, you're at the county fair, you're holding hands and laughing. And now the Ferris wheel is stopped, you're swinging on the top, suspended there with him. And he's the darling of the sheep, the flavor of the week is melting down your pretty summer dress. Baby, what a mess you're making. I've been stumbling through some dark places, and I'm following the plow. I know I've fallen out of your good graces, but it's alright now. I've been waiting in the weeds, waiting for the summer rain to fall upon the wild birds, scattering the seeds, answering the calling of the tide's eternal tune. The phases of the moon, the chambers of the heart, the egg and dart, a small gray spider spinning in the dark. In spite of all the times the web is torn apart. And I've been waiting in the weeds, waiting for the time to come carrying my soul higher up above the ground. And I've been keeping to myself, knowing that the seasons are slowly changing. Even though you're with somebody else, you never loved you.